Alright, time for another new filament. This one's from CC3D, China. So the reason I picked this is because it has a shiny red color, which I was interested in for my next project. So it's kind of like, we had the metallic gold and silver and copper, and this is like kind of metallic red, so that's pretty cool. It's got a nice vacuum on it. It's got a silicone gel pocket. Let's check the vacuum. Good vacuum. So it says 195 to 230. Been running kind of hot lately on everything, so maybe we'll try the higher range. Alright, so we need to weigh it. So 1172 grams, that's probably pretty accurate. Most of these reels are maybe 170, I think. I haven't really finished one up yet, so I'm not positive. And it's 200 milliliters across. So we'll do a temperature test, bed adhesion and layer adhesion, and I think we're going to do CaliCat this time. Here's our silver CaliCat, and we'll see how shiny red matches up to him. So, all right, that's the next thing. All right, so here we are in STScI, and we already rendered this, but we have never printed any PLA really below 215, so I'm not going to, with this machine, so I'm not going to bother to go below that. And I'm going above the 230 recommended because we have printed some PLAs required going up to 240. So we're going by 5 degrees, and we are making PLA. So this is our pointing temperature tower. Like I said, we already rendered it, and we imported it into Simplify 3D. And we set up our profile. So the bed temperature recommendation for this filament is 50 to 60 degrees. So we have good adhesion, so I'm usually going on the lower end of these recommendations. I'm going to start with 50. And our temperature tower profile is set up, so we're starting at 240. And the first bridge is 240, and then down and so forth to 215. So this is all set to go. So we'll just send it over to the printer, and it takes a little over an hour to print. So over to the time lapse. Okay, let's see how we did. That came off okay. Good adhesion. Not too much. I would say good adhesion. So probably 50 is good. Alright, so you can see at the lower temperatures it couldn't print the pointy thing, which is what I suspected. So more sagging as we get in lower temperatures. It's like 240 is the best. Let's look at the back. Yeah. 235 is close. There was some more sagging. Could have just been bad luck. We'd expect more sagging with a higher temperature, so. 'As far as the tightness of the lines on the bridge, it looks better on 235 than 240 to me. I think just that next little sagging there, I think was just bad luck. So we're going to try 235 and try the layer adhesion. If we get good layer adhesion at 235, then that's good to go. Bottom looks clean, so 50 degrees for the bed temperature. Here we are with our favorite layer and bed adhesion test. And we set the profile already. So we have a new profile for the CC3D Shiny Red. And for temperatures, 50 degrees for the bed temperature and 235 for the nozzle. And we're doing the usual cooling with PLA. So first layer 0, second layer 100%. And the extruder, we're just using a 0.9 multiplier. And the first layer 90%, 125. These are all pretty standard. And the speeds are standard. I tried going up higher with this XY movement, and I think it just causes problems. So it doesn't really save that much time on most prints. So I'm not going to mess with that anymore. All right, so this is ready to go. Send it over to the printer. Takes about an hour. So hopefully this will all work out and we go on to our fun CaliCat test, and then we'll start using it. See how we did. The filament seems to flow really nicely. Let's check the strength there. So the strength, the layer strength is good. So, and the bed adhesion is good. It's strong enough, not too strong. So, bottom looks clean. The lettering, it's not the best lettering, but it's pretty good. And the indented lettering looks just about perfect. And a few little artifacts here, but main thing is the layer strength is strong. So as I'm squeezing this, it won't come apart. So I think we settle our conditions. We're going to do it nice and shiny, which I like that. We're going to do 235 for the extruder and 50 for the bed. So now we're going to do CaliCat. Here's CaliCat. One of our favorite products. We haven't done this one for a while, so it'll be fun to see it again. And we're using our new CC3D Shiny Red profile. That means the bed temperature is 50 and the extruder is 235. And the cooling again, 0 on the first layer, 100%. Speeds, 3600, 4200. I always allow these because it just makes finer prints. So. Layer, first layer 90%, 125, 35, 0.9 extrusion multiplier, and just the standard retractions. Haven't had any problems with those. All right, let's see how long it's going to take. 50 minutes. All right, so we'll see you on the end of the time lapse. CaliCat. So everything went fine, looks like. So there's a little string coming off the last little ear there. It didn't go all the way back up to the print head, so that's good. Not too much oozing. Came off nicely at 50 degrees. A little bit of stringing here. Yeah, some stringing right there. But that's not too bad. All the this 45 degrees is a little bit sloppy. The other 45s look fine, but after a certain point, this 45 started to get sloppy. For what we're using it to print for, none of this really matters, so I'm not too worried about it. Overall, the quality's good, the details are good, so I think this is a good settings for this particular filament. So we're just bringing something really simple for this, so it doesn't really matter, but CaliCat's fun. Meow. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Post a comment if you have any questions or ideas, and I'll try to respond. That's all for now, but more videos are coming, and if you want to see them, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification icon if you don't want to miss one. This is STScI signing out, and keep looking up.